Generative AI is an AI that can generate a variety of content. Whereas traditional AI is about automating prescribed actions, generative AI is about learning patterns and relationships in data and generating new content. Generative in generative AI means it can produce or generate content. There is no strict definition of generative AI, but AI can be said to generate a variety of content, or to have learning ability to generate a variety of content. It's a unique kind of AI in the sense that it can not only generate something, but it can learn to generate something. For example, chatgpt, a well-known application of generative AI, can generate sentences that meet conditions, learn by entering new data, and improve the accuracy of the sentences it generates. The reason that generative AI is gathering attention is that it differs from traditional AI in several ways. Even traditional AI has learned to organize and classify data, make predictions based on the results and output. Traditional AI was primarily developed to automate predefined tasks, generating structured outputs, like numerical or textual data, without the ability to generate new content. Generative AI learns patterns and relationships in data, with the goal of creation, not identifying or predicting information. While both algorithms for learning are neural networks that model neural circuits in the brain, generative AI learns from unstructured data sets and generates new content. The first reason that generative AI has gathered popularity is its increased accuracy. The accuracy of answers to questions, the naturalness of the written expression that is output, and the images that match the entered conditions have been improved to the point where the output can be used in business. The second is the amount of learning behind the accuracy improvement. Partly because of the evolution of computer capabilities, the amount of data for learning has expanded dramatically, and the accuracy of models has increased. The third is the speed of content generation. The time required to input conditions and output text and images, according to the conditions using applications and other tools, has been greatly reduced. The fourth is the improvement of the usability of applications and the like. Anyone can use it easily, and it is becoming easier to enter conditions without having to look at any manual in particular. Some of the most popular things that can be generated by generative AI are text, images, sound, music, and videos. However, text is not displayed by searching content according to conditions from information on the web. Various pieces of information can be combined to generate new text. Such AI can generate email drafts, papers, poems, song lyrics, and so on. Program code can also be generated by entering the content of a computer program you want to create in writing. In addition, it can also generate test data needed for system development.